Are you chasing IELTS Band 7, 8, or even 9? Grammar and comprehension matter, but your vocabulary is what truly makes you stand out. Your secret weapon? Advanced, powerful synonyms that make your answers fluent, precise, and unforgettable. In today's video, we'll unlock 40 high-level synonyms you can use in writing, speaking, and essays, perfect for C1 and C2 English mastery. You'll learn how to replace common words with impressive alternatives that boost your score and wow the examiner. Stay tuned. By the end, your vocabulary will be richer, sharper, and ready for IELTS success. Quick warm-up. Think of 3 common words you use too often. Is good one of them? Maybe very? By the end of this video, you'll have powerful alternatives for all of them. Why vocabulary matters in IELTS. In the IELTS exam, writing, speaking, or answering questions, you need to avoid repeating the same words. Using the same word again and again can make your vocabulary look limited and lower your score. Instead, use a variety of high-level synonyms to show you have flexibility, precision, and control. For example, instead of always saying important, use pivotal or crucial. Instead of big, use colossal or immense. These small changes make your English sound more vivid, advanced, and impressive, helping you stand out in IELTS. Mastering advanced adjectives. 1. Important, pivotal, crucial, essential, significant. In academic essays, pivotal emphasizes something that is central or decisive. Example, reducing emissions is a crucial issue for sustainable development. 2. Big, colossal, immense, considerable, massive. Colossal highlights something extremely large or impressive in size or impact. Example, the earthquake caused immense destruction. 3. Small, minute, slight, tiny. Minute, pronounced differently from minute as a unit of time, emphasizes something very small or detailed. Example, the difference was minute, but significant. 4. Bad, appalling, dreadful, terrible, unacceptable. Appalling conveys a strong negative impression. Example, the service was appalling. 5. Good, exceptional, outstanding, excellent. Exceptional implies above average quality. Example, she has exceptional taste in music. 6. Easy, straightforward, simple, uncomplicated. Straightforward suggests clarity and ease of understanding. Example, the instructions were straightforward. 7. Difficult, arduous, challenging, complex. Arduous emphasizes physical or mental effort. Example, climbing Everest is an arduous task. Note, use arduous when emphasizing effort, not general difficulty. 8. Expensive, exorbitant, costly, pricey. Exorbitant indicates an excessively high price. Example, the fees were exorbitant. 9. Cheap, economical, affordable, budget-friendly. Economical is formal and indicates cost-effectiveness. Example, they opted for an economical car. 10. New, innovative, novel, recent. Novel refers to something original or uncommon. Example, the researchers developed a novel approach. Elevating verbs with synonyms. 11. Increase, surge, rise, escalate. Surge suggests a sudden or rapid rise. Example, oil prices surged last week. 12. Decrease, shrink, diminish, decline. Shrink often implies physical or measurable reduction. Example, the company's profits shrunk due to declining sales. 13. Change, modify, transform, alter. Modify indicates slight adjustments. Example, the software was modified to improve usability. Transform suggests a complete change. Example, technology has transformed communication. 14. Improve, enhance, boost, refine. Enhance emphasizes improving quality or value. Example, the new policy enhanced productivity. 15. Express, articulate, convey, communicate. Articulate emphasizes clarity and effectiveness. Example, she articulated her ideas confidently. 16. Support, champion, advocate, back. Champion indicates active promotion. Example, he championed environmental causes. 17. Help, assist, aid, give a hand. Assist is formal. Give a hand is informal. Example, could you assist me with this task? 18. Try, endeavor, strive, attempt. Endeavor emphasizes earnest effort. Example, they endeavored to complete the project on time. Attempt indicates an effort, often with less certainty. Example, I attempted to learn French. 19th, support. Noun, assistance, aid, backing. Example, the government provided assistance to small businesses. 20, support, verb, champion, promote, endorse. Example, the organization championed human rights, expressing opinions and ideas. 21, think, be of the opinion that, believe, consider. Be of the opinion that sounds more formal and nuanced. Example, I am of the opinion that education reform is necessary. 22, understand, fathom, comprehend, grasp. Fathom implies deep understanding. Example, I can't fathom the complexity of quantum physics. 23rd, support, opinions, champion, advocate, promote. Example, she advocated for renewable energy. 24, help, opinions, assist, facilitate. Example, the policy facilitates economic growth. 25th, show, demonstrate, illustrate, exhibit. Example, the data demonstrates a clear trend. Connecting ideas with sophisticated phrases. 26, however, that being said, nevertheless, nonetheless. Example, the plan has flaws. That being said, it has potential. 27, in conclusion, in a nutshell, to sum up, overall. Example, in a nutshell, the project was a success. 28, although, albeit, even though, despite the fact that. Example, the film was well directed, albeit predictable. 29th, in general, broadly speaking, overall, generally. Example, broadly speaking, the policy is effective. 30, for example, as a case in point, such as to illustrate. Example, many countries, as a case in point, Canada, have banned plastics. Enriching your academic and formal writing. 31, problem, issue, challenge, quandary. Quandary implies a dilemma. Example, the government faced a quandary over policy. 32, city, metropolis, urban area, municipality. Example, the metropolis is known for its vibrant culture. 33, people, citizens, population, residents. Example, the citizens voted overwhelmingly. 34, house, residence, dwelling, accommodation. Example, his residence is in the countryside. 35, money, revenue, income, funds. Example, the company's revenue increased significantly. 36, crime, offense, violation, legislation for law-related context. Example, the new legislation aims to reduce crime. Focusing on small words, prepositions, quantifiers, and adverbs. 37, regarding, about, concerning. Example, the report about climate change is comprehensive. 38, mainly, predominantly, chiefly. Example, the project was predominantly funded by private donors. 39, very, extremely, highly, truly. Example, the results were extremely promising. 40, many, a plethora of, numerous, countless. Example, there are a plethora of reasons to support renewable energy. Strategic use of linking phrases. To craft cohesive and sophisticated essays or speeches using advanced linking phrases is essential. That being said, instead of however, introduces nuance. In a nutshell, succinctly sums up ideas, albeit adds formality when contrasting ideas. Broadly speaking, offers a high-level overview. As a case in point, introduces examples effectively. Key advanced synonyms for IELTS. Boost to C1 and C2 English. Sample IELTS speaking answer. Band 8. I think reducing pollution is a pivotal issue in big cities. Many policies have tried to fix it, but results are minimal. However, innovative ideas like green infrastructure show promising results. In the end, I believe teamwork is essential. Practice challenge. Pause now and rewrite a sentence using one new synonym from today's list. Comment below with your example. Your work could be featured. Bonus: choose 3 favorite words and use them in a short paragraph. Pro tips to sound natural. Read advanced articles, The Economist, The Guardian. Copy the style of academic talks or debates. Paraphrase essays or speaking answers. Read aloud and record yourself. Spot where you sound natural and where it's forced. By using these words naturally, you'll impress IELTS examiners, sound fluent and confident, and take your English to the next level. Final thoughts. Learning synonyms is just step 1. The real power lies in using them naturally. Don't overuse complicated words. They should fit the context. Practice writing and speaking with these words daily. Master these 40+ advanced synonyms, and you'll be well on your way to that IELTS band 7, 8, or even 9. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more English vocabulary, grammar, and IELTS strategies every week. Thanks for watching Learn English through Vuku. See you in the next video.